Hello students, today our topic of discussion will be isotopes, isobars, etc. Now let us try to think what are isotopes. You know, when we talk about atoms contain three fundamental particles, that is electron, proton and neutrons. So let us examine a few species of atoms, like say for example I take chlorine atom. Normally chlorine atom contains 17 protons. It will contain 18 neutrons and it will contain 17 electrons. Whatever be the number of protons, that will be the number of electrons in the chlorine atoms. However, it has been found that 75% of chlorine atom is like this. Therefore, the symbol of chlorine atom will be 17 Cl, neutron plus proton will be 35, like this. Alright, this is very important to see. So 75% of chlorine atoms will have this symbol. 25% however will have 17 protons but 20 neutrons and 17 electrons. Now what will happen, children? If I take chlorine atom this way, then its symbol should be this one. So these two are atoms of the same element, that is chlorine, but they have got different mass numbers. One has got mass number 35, another has got mass number 37, and these two are called isotopes. So what are isotopes? What are isotopes? Atoms of same element with different mass number. Isotopes are atoms of same element with different mass number. That means their subscript will be the same but superscript will be different. That is the way to identify them. Since they are atoms of same element, so their chemical properties will be same. Almost they will have same physical properties also, but since number of neutrons will be different, so there might be little fluctuation in some of the properties, like this is the heavier isotope. So some more examples if I see of isotope, then hydrogen has got a very important isotope called deuterium. This, since it has got only proton, it's protium we call it, or procium. This is deuterium. Now deuterium will be 1H2 and tritium will be 1H3. Now the most important and the significant difference is the difference in mass number, which results due to the difference in the number of protons. Here 1 minus 1 hydrogen atom, here protium will have no neutrons. Majority of the hydrogen atom, if you will get, they will be of this type. There will be very small percentage of deuterium, sometimes heavy hydrogen, and the water formed by deuterium is called heavy water. It has got use in the nuclear reactors, heavy water. Sometimes it even symbolize it at D2O also, some places we call. So 2 minus 1, 1 neutron over here, 3 minus 1, 2 neutron over here. This is little rarer than these two. So this is the first thing we've understood about isotopes. Alright, now now how will we represent in some cases when there is a fair share of each type? What I mean to say, Now which one will represent the mass number of chlorine? So what we take, because both of them are in fairly reasonable quantities. This is 25%. We cannot deny its present. We cannot just write chlorine symbol 35Cl30 35Cl17, or we cannot write this that chlorine symbol is this. Then what is the, then maths come to help us. We take out average, because this, the percentage over here is 75 and this is 25. That means the ratio will be 3:1. So what we do, we take out the average, because we know that ratio means what? If you talk about number of atoms, then for every 3 atom of this there is present 1 atom of this. The ratio is 3:1. So what we take 4 together and find out the average. So the average atomic mass will be what? Let us see. 35 into 3 plus 37 into 1 divided by 3 plus 1, 4. So this is 105 plus 37 by 4. So this will be 142 by 4. So this is 35.5 AMU we call it if we talk in terms of units. So mass of chlorine, representative mass you can say, is 35.5. So therefore somebody asks you a question, why do isotopes have fractional atomic mass? You can straight away say that isotopes are atoms of same element. Depending upon the abundance of each type or the ratio of each type, we calculate the average atomic mass, and then the average atomic mass may come in fraction. That is very, very important for you all to understand. Thanks a lot.